Hello classes even students. Today we are going to learn the grammar from our Lexion 5. So this grammar is on Seite Nummer 37, page 37. Let's read. Man oder Mann. Okay. If it is MAN, it is the impersonal subject. It stands for one, somebody, people, etc. Example: Als Schuler lernt man viel. As a student, one learns a lot. So, um, one more example: Man soll nicht stehlen. One should not steal. So this MAN, that is your general, anyone, and it takes the verb ending according to er, s, z. So lernen is a verb. We have conjugate that according to RSZ. So verb ending is T. So man, lernt. Same man soll. Soll and verb also we take the conjugation according to RSZ. RSZ soll. So man also soll. Next man is der MANN. That is a man or a husband. It's a noun. Der Mann arbeitet fleißig. The man works hard. Or mein Mann ist Arzt. My husband is a doctor. So here this man also student conjugated according to RSZ. So we have used arbeitet and ist. Okay. Now we are going to learn the difference between Stunde and Uhr. This Stunde and this N which they are showing here, that is a plural. Stunden, that is hours. Okay, meaning is period or hour. Examples we will see. Jetzt ist Deutschstunde. It is a German period now. Eine Stunde hat 60 Minuten. An hour has 60 minutes. Now what is die Uhr? Die Uhr is watch or o'clock and the plural is die Uhren, en ending. Let's see the example. Ich habe eine japanische Uhr. I have a Japanese watch. Zwei. Jetzt ist es 8 Uhr. Now it is 8 o'clock. Now, third point they have given, eine Woche hat 7 Tage. A week has 7 days. In 6th standard also we have learned the 5th standard actually, the weekdays. Again they are giving here, but with the article. Article is there. Montag, starting from Monday. Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag and Sonntag. Der Samstag und Sonntag machen das Wochenende. That is called weekend. And if you want to say on Saturday, on Sundays in we so for that we always use the preposition am for all the days. For weekend also, if you want to say on weekend, we say am Wochenende. So these prepositions are very important, students. Now, the Tageszeiten means the day timings. The article is there for Morgen, morning, Vormittag, the time before afternoon, Mittag, afternoon, Nachmittag, the time after afternoon, Abend is evening and Nacht means night. But only for the Nacht we use the die. And we say na in the morning or in the evening. So what we say here? Am Morgen, am Mittag, am Abend. Only the exception is Nacht. For if you want to say in the night, we say in der Nacht. Okay, so remember the exception for night. And just note it down in your book also this. Now, see, the same thing which we have learned, they have explaining with the question answers. Frage nach der Zeit. The questions related to the time. We use the question wann. Wann means when. All questions of wann are to be answered with am plus days of the week, am plus time of the day, and with the exception of night, im plus months and im plus seasons. So what was the exception of night? In der Nacht. Okay. Yes, same they have explained here. See, am Montag on Monday, am Abend in the evening, in der Nacht in the night, im October, im Sommer. Sommer is a season, summer. Okay. Yes. Now they have given some exercises related to that. Yes, I have already written the answers. I'm gonna read it for you now. Yes. First, Übung. What they are telling you, mini dialogue schreiben. You have to write a mini dialogue. See, I have written the numbers about the dialogues. See, the first one is this. Wie ist es mit Musik? How is it with the music? And what will be the reply for? Where is number 2? Here. Ich finde das Singen gut, das Note schreiben schlecht. I like the singing, but writing the notes, the musical notes, I find it bad. Now the third one is Arts Kunst. What will be the reply fourth? Macht Spaß. Then it's Zeichnen again. So arts, it makes fun because I like to draw. Now where is our fifth one? Yes. Algebra und Geometry schwer. Do you find algebra and geometry difficult? Sixth one, langweilig ist sie nicht. They are not boring. Aber die Formeln sind nicht sehr leicht. But the formulas are not so easy. Seventh one, magst du Sportunterricht in der Schule? Do you like the sport period in the school? Wenn mehr Unterricht ist und weniger Sport, dann mag ich ihn sicher nicht. When there are more lectures and less sport, then I don't like that. 9. Und wie findest du Deutsch and how do you find the German? Now here, this has to be 10 students. This number I have written 9. Just make it 10. Die Sprache ist ganz logisch und macht richtig Spaß. So the language is quite logical and it makes fun. Okay. And this one which I have written 10th, make it 11. Last one will be Du bist doch ein Genie. So you are a genius. Okay. So this was the dialogue, students. You are supposed to write down all these dialogues in a sequence in your notebook. Now, beantworten Sie die Fragen, answer the question. Wie findest du Sport? How do you find the sport? Answer I have written in a full sentence. Make sure you will write down these answers in your notebook, not in the workbook, course book. Second, wie sind deine Lehrer? How are your teachers? 3. Wann hast du Deutsch? When do you have German? 4. Welche andere Fächer hast du in der Schule? Which other subjects do you have in the school? Nummer 5. Was machst du am Sonntag? What do you do on Sundays? So here I have written what I am doing on Sundays. You can write what activities you do on Sundays. Now, some more questions related to the prepositions. Now in the bracket pink color they have given the answers. You have to just write the answer using the correct preposition. For example, the first one is a Frühling. Frühling is a spring. And for season, we use the preposition am. If it is a daytime, Abend, we use the preposition am. If it is a month, we use the preposition im, Mai. For days, we use am Donnerstag. And for night, it is the exception in der Nacht. Okay. One, students, one means when. So when does your Oma comes, grandma comes. Second, when do you watch the TV? Third, 1/2 year Sommerferien. When do you have summer vacation? Fourth, wann hast du Sozi? That is your social studies. And last one, wann schläft das Baby? When does the baby sleep? Yeah, some more questions. Frage 4. Let's see what they are telling us to do. Okay. Nummer 1. Montag und Dienstag sind die Wochentage, Weekdays है. Am Samstagnachmittag wünschen wir unsere Klassenkameraden ein schönes Wochenende. So Saturday afternoon timing, you wish your when you go out of the school, you wish your classmates have a nice weekend, beautiful weekend. Third one, Zontag is like fire tag. It's a holiday. Vier, Morgen, Abend, Nachmittag sind die Tageszeiten, day timings. Fifth one, das Abschlussexamen in Indian heißt das board examen. The final exams are called as the board exam. Das Schulleben dauert vom Kindergarten bis zur 12. Klasse. The school life lasts from children KG to class 12th. So this is the text which we have learned in the previous video from the same book, same lesson 5. Seventh one, the Schüler bekommen die Noten in jeder Klasse. Every class the student gets the grade. 8. Die Schule dauert 5 bis 6 Stunden. The school lasts for 5 to 6 hours. Nummer 9. Die Noten sind wichtig in späteren Leben. The grades are important in a later life. For the, next. 10. Samstag ist entweder ein Halbtag oder ein Feiertag. Entweder means either Saturday is a half day or a holiday. Now, they have given here one letter, students, and they have told us to fill in the blanks. Let's read it. Lieber Ram. Okay, so you can write any boy name here as they have mentioned Lieber. Be used for a dear, for a boy name. Then, wir Schüler haben es schwer. Am Montag haben wir 2 Stunden Musik. Wir schreiben Noten und Liedertexte. So in the music we write the notes and the song text. Am Dienstag ist es Kunst. Wieder 2 Stunden. So arts is again on a Dienstag, Tuesday for 2 hours. Oh weh, man braucht Malkästen, Pinsel, Blöcke und Farbstifte. So which all things needed for the arts they have mentioned here. Ich male gern nicht gut. I don't like to paint. Morgen haben wir ein Englisch Klassenarbeit. Class test is there tomorrow. So ein Mist. Oh, damn it. Heute sehe ich nicht fern. Gehe ich nicht spielen. Und schlafe am Tag nicht. So today I am not gonna watch the TV. I'm not gonna go for a play. And I am not going to sleep in a day. Because tomorrow is a test. Ich lerne die Grammatikregeln. I'm gonna learn the grammar rules. Am Computer spiele ich gern. I like to play on a computer. Aber wenn man eine Computerprüfung hat, mag man ja nicht. Okay? So just erase this spiele, just write mag. So when there is a computer exam, one doesn't like it. Am Samstag, Gott sei Dank, haben wir frei. So thank God, on Saturday we have a holiday. Unsere Klasse geht in ein Kino. So our class is going to the cinema hall. Schreib bald, write soon. Viele Grüße, deine Karin. Lots of greeting, your Karin. So Karin is a girl, that's why I have written here deine Karin. If a boy is writing this letter, then we write dein. Okay, complete this letter, students, and write down in your notebook. Okay. Now, this was the grammar from your course book. Now, the Arbeits book, that is from Arbeits Heft also they have given something. So that we will be solving in our next video, student. Okay, till then, choose.